How to fix this version of YouTube is out of date on Android. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. Let's begin. Seeing the annoying this version of YouTube is out of date error on Android? No worries, I've got 4 easy fixes to get your YouTube working again. Method 1. Update your YouTube. First, head over to the Google Play Store, search for YouTube and tap update if available. If there's no update option, don't worry, keep watching. Method 2. Clear cache and data. Go to the settings and go to your phone settings, find YouTube, then tap storage here, hit clear cache and clear data. Restart the app and check if it works. Method 3. Uninstall YouTube. If the error is still there, go to the settings, app, YouTube, then tap uninstall updates. This resets your YouTube its factory version. Now update it again from the Play Store. Method 4. Install YouTube from APK. Still no luck? You can download the latest YouTube APK at apkmirror.com and install it manually. Just make sure to allow install unknown apps in your settings. And that's it. Your YouTube should be working right now. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Android fixes. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.